Now the problem that the forms, or one of the problems that the forms are supposed to solve, is this problem of universals, namely what things are these universals. By universals, things like circles, men. And we can make this kind of generic going through the last example, but we're going to genericize it, make it a generic one. That is, let's say we have objects A, B, and C, and they have something in common. Well, what do A, B, and C have in common to lead us to believe that A is F, B is F, and C is F? That is, what do they have in common? They have F in common, right? But what the answer is, according to Plato, is that they're all related to the form F, or Fness. F standing for a property. The guy who taught me ancient philosophy used to use he told us a story. He used to start saying A is P, and P being short for some property that they have in common, until he realized, as he started talking about the form, and everybody in his class was laughing because he kept on talking about A's having penis. Okay, well, there's the joke. But the idea is that all these three things resemble the form F. That is, A, B, and C all resemble. They look like in some way. And let me make that in English. It should say, and keep in mind that, let me get back to where we were, that the resemblance hold even if no one has the idea that they resemble each other, or no one has any ideas. So if these things are in absolutely no one's mind, there are no people, these things still resemble each other. If we're talking about three flowers that, this one is a rose, B is a rose, and C is a rose. So F is the being a flower, flowerness. Those things are still going to be flowers, whether or not somebody sees, hears, smells them, or not.